All right, we are back out here once again with this 1978 Fiberform. Today we're going to do a whole fuel system service on this. So I did everything from the carburetor to the fuel pump, and we're going to look at these lines and look at the primer bulb, make sure it's good. But it doesn't like to idle that well. There is an idle speed adjustment, but I don't know when the last time these carburetors have been gone through. I've never done these before, so I want to do them. Let's start taking it apart. Whenever I work on the motor, I always disconnect the battery. Battery's right down there. I always disconnect it because I don't want this thing spinning. I don't want the flywheel spinning on me, parts moving when I'm getting into it. Carburetors are extremely simple. You've seen me do tons. I don't want to show you how to do everything. 4 flatheads come off. After you take the top off, you're going to go ahead and remove this guy. After that, you're going to remove this guy, the float needle. So here's what you're going to take apart. This, I don't think is too dirty at all, but you're going to take apart this guy with the flathead, and then you're going to take these two out, right here and right here, and then there's 2 tiny jets in there. Right in here, there's 2 little jets, and you basically want to look through them and make sure you can see light. The reason you want to look through them because you want to know if you solved your problem or not, because if you can't see light clearly, even if there's just a little bit in there, it'll stop it from flowing fuel at idle. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get these put back together. Well, now that we didn't lose the camera at the lake this time, we're here on the Spectra, boys. Anchored up, anchored away, running good. This fuel fill hose has a crack in it, which I didn't know, so I filled it up this morning, and it may or may not have leaked out, but we got it ventilated so we don't blow ourselves up. The old Johnson is Johnsoning, and the labs are running, baby. But yeah, no, it's good. Just rides like crap in the water, but other than that, it's running good. We're gonna hang out here, eat some food, go back on the water, baby. Let this 115 sing, baby. Oh, this thing still doesn't like to idle low, probably because there's currently a hole in the fill hose, so there's air getting into the fuel tank. Don't do that. But anyway, set her on down. Oh, it didn't die. We're cruising. Yeah, if there's any air in your fuel system, just so you know, it can cause idle problems. It can also cause a little explosion, but we're not too worried about that. Bubba's got to swim. Let's see what this Johnson can do here. Set you right here. Why is it upside down? All right, buddy, now you're right side up. You're gonna try to hold this with one hand. Throttle.
You want me to hold it for you?
Let's go, baby. Come on, Johnson. Come on, Johnson. The little Magoo is hidden. Check it out though, man. Pretty sweet.
Your new spot, Bubba? That's your new spot?
Pretty freaking sweet.
Yeah, he said cab over there.
It rides like absolute garbage, but man, it rides, baby. It rides. Alright, rat. We're still cruising. We're doing the perimeter. It's about 10 miles. I don't like to just start it and go on a little test ride. You gotta test them, baby. You gotta drive them all day before you sell these things. None of this 5-minute little cruise. Oh, runs great. Nah. We put hours on these things, baby. Miles. Not minutes. Miles, baby. Live in California, so there's a fire, as always. But all that. Those aren't clouds. They are up there, but in the horizon, it's all smoke from the wildfire. But it ain't smoky here. It's not riding that bad right now. Every other boat I own, you trim up, the RPMs go up, it rides a little better. This one, no, you gotta trim down or else it's gonna porpoise and ride like crap. The moment you touch the trim, gotta keep it trimmed down and just go for it, I guess. You get worse fuel economy, but we don't care about that. Got a 1978 two-stroke. Last thing I'm concerned about is fuel economy. This little Magoo is making himself comfortable. So he's chilling. Anyway, we out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. This is going to be for sale. It's a great boat. It's a fun boat. It doesn't ride the best in rough water, but yeah, I mean, 4 seats. Johnson seems to be reliable. I haven't had an issue since I did the carb and fuel pump. So on to the next project. Adios.